Welcome to the Tangkhul Music Festival 2025. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. We've got vibrant stalls, thrilling dirt bike rides, and a celebration of our people, our culture, our traditions, all set against nature's breathtaking scenery. A small place, quiet and full of life. The sound of the wind, the water, the hills, everything here has a story. And this time, we're opening it up for everyone to come, to sing, to share, to just be. For 2 days, this place will come alive with songs, food, stories, and the sound of friendship. You don't need tickets, no walls, just come. Come breathe in the fresh air, feel the energy, and experience the warm hospitality of the Tangkhuls once again. Bring your stories, let's make memories together under the open sky.